Ever been there? That heart-stopping moment when your crypto portfolio takes a nosedive at 3 a.m., and you're staring at your screen, desperately needing help? Or maybe you're a newbie, just trying to figure out how to buy your first Bitcoin, and you're completely lost? You're thinking, okay, I need support, and I need it now. But then, the real question hits you: does Kraken, one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there, actually have your back 24/7? Because let's be real, in the crypto world, time is money, and a few minutes can mean a huge difference. Transition to a calmer, more informative tone. We're diving deep into the world of Kraken's customer support today, and we're going to answer that burning question: does Kraken have 24/7 support? But before we get to the brass tacks, let's take a quick step back and understand why this is so crucial. The crypto market is a beast. It never sleeps, it never takes a break, and it's notoriously volatile. Unlike traditional stock markets, which have set trading hours, crypto operates around the clock, 365 days a year. This means that problems can arise at any moment. You could be dealing with technical issues, account access problems, transaction errors, or just need some general guidance. And when these issues pop up, you need help, and you need it fast. Now, let's talk about Kraken. Kraken is a major player in the cryptocurrency exchange space, known for its security, its wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and its robust trading platform. But even the best platforms can have hiccups. So, when those hiccups happen, what kind of support can you expect? Transition to a more analytical tone. To answer the question definitively, Kraken does offer 24/7 support. However, it's essential to understand the nuances of how that support is structured. It's not a simple, one-size-fits-all solution. Kraken's support system is multi-layered. They offer a comprehensive help center with extensive articles and FAQs, covering a wide range of topics. This self-service resource is available 24/7, and it's often the quickest way to find answers to common questions. You can find information on everything from account setup and verification to trading strategies and security best practices. But what about when you need to talk to a real person? This is where things get a bit more complex. Kraken provides support through various channels, including live chat and email. Live chat is generally considered the fastest way to get assistance, especially for urgent issues. However, availability and wait times can vary depending on the volume of inquiries. Email support is also available, but it's typically used for less urgent matters. Response times can range from a few hours to a few days, depending on the complexity of the issue. Now, here's where we need to be realistic. While Kraken aims to provide 24/7 support, it's not always guaranteed that you'll get instant assistance, especially during peak hours or during periods of high market volatility. Crypto is a global market, and when there's a big news event or a significant price swing, support teams can get overwhelmed. Transition to a more practical, user-focused tone. So, what does this mean for you, the user? Here are some practical tips for navigating Kraken's support system. First, always start with the Help Center. It's a goldmine of information, and you might find the answer you need without having to contact support directly. Use the search function and browse the relevant categories. Second, if you need to contact support, consider using live chat. It's usually the fastest way to get help, but be prepared for potential wait times. Have your account details and any relevant information ready to expedite the process. Third, if your issue is not urgent, email support is a viable option. Clearly explain your problem and provide as much detail as possible. Fourth, utilize Kraken's social media channels. While they might not provide direct support, they can be a useful source of information and updates. Fifth, consider upgrading to Kraken Pro or Kraken's VIP program. These programs often come with dedicated account managers and priority support, which can be invaluable for high-volume traders or those who require more personalized assistance. Transition to a more critical, balanced tone. Now, let's be honest. Kraken, like any other large crypto exchange, has faced criticism regarding its support. Some users have reported long wait times, difficulty getting through to support agents, and inconsistent responses. These are valid concerns, and it's essential to acknowledge them. However, it's also important to remember that Kraken handles a massive volume of support requests, and the crypto market is inherently unpredictable. They are continually working to improve their support system, and they have implemented various measures to address these concerns, including hiring more support staff and improving their self-service resources. Furthermore, it's crucial to compare Kraken's support with that of other exchanges. Many exchanges struggle to provide adequate support, especially during periods of high demand. In this context, Kraken's efforts to provide 24/7 support, even with its limitations, are commendable. Transition to a more personal, reflective tone. Let's think about the broader picture. What does it mean to have 24/7 support in the context of cryptocurrency? It's not just about getting help with technical issues. It's about building trust and confidence in the platform. When you know that you can reach out for help at any time, it creates a sense of security. It gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're not alone in the often turbulent world of crypto. It's also about accessibility and inclusivity. Cryptocurrency is a global phenomenon, and it's attracting users from all walks of life. Providing 24/7 support ensures that everyone, regardless of their location or time zone, has access to the help they need. Transition to a more forward-looking tone. Looking ahead, the demand for high-quality customer support in the crypto industry is only going to increase. As the market continues to grow and mature, exchanges will need to invest more resources in their support systems. This includes expanding their support teams, improving their training programs, and implementing more efficient communication channels. Artificial intelligence and chatbots are also likely to play a more significant role in providing instant support and resolving common issues. Ultimately, the goal is to create a seamless and reliable support experience for all users. This will not only improve customer satisfaction but also contribute to the overall growth and stability of the crypto market. Transition to a concluding, summarizing tone. So, to circle back to our original question, does Kraken have 24/7 support? The answer is yes, but it's a qualified yes. They offer a multi-layered support system that includes a comprehensive help center, live chat, and email support. While there are limitations and potential challenges, Kraken's efforts to provide round-the-clock assistance are significant. Remember, the key is to be prepared. Utilize the help center, be patient when contacting support, and consider upgrading to a premium account if you require more personalized assistance. Understand that the nature of crypto is volatile and that sometimes delays happen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.